You've probably heard people say they've bought a little Bitcoin, or maybe they're trading crypto on their phones. But what most folks don't realize is just how many weird and surprisingly normal places around the world actually use crypto as everyday money. And no, I'm not just talking about fancy online shops or tech conferences. Did you know in Tokyo you can pay for your laundry at a coin-operated laundromat using crypto? Just pop in your digital wallet instead of actual coins. It's as easy as that. Or in Berlin, you can rent a flat with your landlord accepting Bitcoin straight up, no old-school bank transfers needed. Wild, right? But here's where things get even stranger. In Argentina, with inflation making cash worth less by the day, hospitals actually accept stablecoins for bills. Imagine paying for your checkup with crypto because it's more reliable than the national currency. Or if you're into gaming, you can buy digital weapons and upgrades in some online games using your crypto wallet. So your gaming experience is literally powered by blockchain. And it doesn't stop there. You can tip your favorite creators directly on Reddit, Twitter, and other platforms using tokens like Dogecoin or Ethereum. It's like passing a digital hat around the internet. These aren't just quirky one-offs either. In Ukraine, when banks were down during the war, people turned to crypto to buy food, medicine, and pay rent. In Venezuela, where hyperinflation makes cash almost worthless, shopkeepers started accepting stablecoins so prices wouldn't double overnight. And in El Salvador, Bitcoin is legal tender. You can literally buy pupusas, that's street food, with Bitcoin from your phone. Want some more? In Switzerland, you can buy public transport tickets with crypto. Some universities even let you pay tuition in Bitcoin. I've heard about dental clinics, secondhand furniture shops, even barbers who accept crypto because it's faster, cheaper, and sometimes just plain safer than old-school payments. Here's the point. Crypto isn't just for tech geeks, investors, or people glued to price charts. It's a real tool, used by real people in real life, especially when the old systems are broken, outdated, or just too slow. So next time you hear someone say, "What's the point of crypto?" Remember, somewhere someone just bought a haircut, a bus ticket, or a bag of rice, and they paid with crypto. And guess what? It worked. Join us and reach your next crypto level.